Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video using polygel and I'm using the lazy girl method. Just right off the bat, I want to apologize if y'all hear any noise in the background. I couldn't find a quiet place to record. So hopping right in, I just was showing you what was in the polygel kit. And here I hauled this e-file off from Amazon like maybe 5 months ago, and I never used it. I do have the D&D drill. I just got it out the shop, so I'm being really delicate in watching the way I use my drill that is really expensive. So I opted to use the one from Amazon, and I'm glad I did. I really do like that drill. If you're looking for a drill, I'll put the link to that one down below. Starting right out, I am just going in with the base coat that comes inside the kit. I just want to say that this was a huge epic fill. For some reason, I was able to do my left hand better than my right hand, which is really odd. So first I'm just going in with the base coat because I do want to lay some glitter down. And yeah, the glitter that I'm using is from AliExpress. I did haul this in a previous video and I'll link that video down below. I still don't know how to add the videos links inside the video for you to click on it. I'm working on that. So yeah, I'm just going in with that glitter. It's a pretty chunky glitter, so I'm trying to smooth that out as best I can. This is a really pretty glitter. So after I put the glitter on it, I do cure it inside the lamp for about 10 seconds and go over it with my top coat. And now I'm using one of the pink shades in the kit just a little bit. This is literally my first time ever using polygel, and I don't think I'm a huge fan of it. I don't want to give up just yet. It's just, I don't know. This is very sticky. I don't know if all polygels are really sticky, but the one in this kit is really, really sticky. So I am going in with the slip. And then I did hear someone say you can use alcohol. So I was using alcohol too. And I just went in with a little bit trial and error here. I really didn't need this much. And what I learned is I don't need to push it all the way to the cuticle. When I put it on my nail and press my false nail down to my nail bed, it's going to push up. So yeah, that's all I'm doing is going in and blending it down some, just so that it is pretty smooth when I add it onto my nail. So here you see me add it onto my nail, and then anything that does spill up on the side, I do go in and clean it up. I'm not a fan of the lazy girl method as of right now. This is just like a long-term, not long-term, but I guess these are like press-ons. I'd rather use the solid gel that I used on my channel a few videos back than doing this. This kit did come with some forms. I didn't use the forms only because they are like more square and wide for my liking. I did order some different shapes that are forms, and I'm waiting for them to come, so I'll try that way too. I really, really, really want to love polygel. I'm not going to give up, but as of right now, it's not something that I really look forward to doing again. Like, oh, this was so easy. This came out so nice. No, I really want to get into building the polygel up on the actual nail and doing it that way rather than this way. If you're watching this and you do polygel, drop some polygel brands down below that you know of that are not as sticky. Like I said, I'm not really familiar with polygel, so I'm not sure if they're all like really sticky. But this consistency was like really gummy. And like I said, I'm not really familiar with polygel, so I don't know how often I was supposed to be dipping into the slip. I only dipped into the slip once the brush started sticking to the product. But other than that, I really do like this kit. It came with everything, and the colors are just like so bomb. I'm sure it's more of me not knowing what I'm doing versus the actual product. But yeah, let me know of any other brands I should definitely try out. These nails are so cute. I want to love them, but hopefully they last long. If not, I'm sure in my next video you guys will see me with some different nails on. But for the most part, I do like these tips. I'm going to show these tips in the haul that I have coming up. These are perfect if you do press-ons and you're looking for long, square tips. Not too bulky, but these are just like beautiful and they're straight tips. Another thing that I was really caught off guard with is the underneath the nail. Once I put the nail on, I cure it in the lamp. What am I supposed to do with the part underneath the bottom? Like, is it just, you know, open product there? That is another thing that I don't like. Now that I'm sitting here doing this voiceover and I'm looking at the nails, like, I don't like that at all. So yeah, let me know what you guys do in the bottom underneath the nail. I know with acrylic, you encapsulate the color. And yeah, I don't like the way this look. And the nails are pink, so it actually looks like bubble gum is stuck underneath my nail. So now here I'm just going in and filing the nail just to, oh yeah, before I started filing, I did realize that I cut the tips down a little bit on my left hand. So I wanted to do the same thing on my right. I didn't take much off, just a little, just because, like I said, I really want to be able to wear these nails and they were a little too long for me at the moment. So I did cut them down, and then I'm going to go in and file the nail with the file that comes inside the kit. And I don't have to do too much filing. I'm just really just going in and sharpening up the sides a little bit. So now I'm just going in with my heavy duty alcohol bottle. This bottle puts out a lot of alcohol, which I needed at the moment because my fingertips were so sticky and so was my desk. So I didn't mind spraying it on there because I'm going to use that alcohol just to clean my surface down. Yeah, overall, I do think they came out okay. I'm not like in awe with these nails. This is nothing where I'll be like, girl, go ahead and try this, what I just did. No, they look a mess. But I did want to post this video because a lot of times we look at tutorials and things look so easy. I wanted to really try on my first attempt and I wanted to record it. That way, when and if I do master this method, I can come back and look at, you know, where I started at. So here I'm going in with one of the Rosalind gel polishes that I hauled in my previous video. I will link that haul down below. It comes with a 12-piece set. I just put one coat on my ring finger, and then I'm going in and adding a top coat to the rest of my nails. After I add this top coat, I will cure my nails in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then after I do that, I do come back and clean up the sides a little bit because I don't want to cure it with the gel. And then after I do that, I do go back in with the glitter polish from Rosalind gel polish and add a second coat because I do want that glitter to be really opaque. This is a really pretty pinky color glitter with like flecks of purple, blue, and other glitter in it. Really pretty. And now that I'm done, I cured that in the lamp. I'm adding just a little bit of cuticle oil to my nails to give it some shine because y'all know my fingers be hit when I get done doing nails. Let me know how you think I did for my first attempt. I know they look a hot mess, but be gentle. I am stepping into a new phase of trying to just venture off and do different things with nails other than acrylic. And this is what they look like. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Become part of my little family, and I will check you beautiful people out in my next video. Bye.